आपण ए सेज ॲ हे प्रोनाउन्सिएशनचे वर्ड्स बघणार आहोत. ओके, ए सेज ॲ. लक्ष द्या, प्रत्येक लेटर मध्ये जर ए मिसळलं तर त्याचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन कसं होतं ते आपण बघूया. ए सेज ॲ. बी ए बॅ. सी ए कॅट. सी ए डी ए एफ ए जी ए एच ए जे ए के ए एल ए लैब. एम ए मैप. एन ए नैप. पी ए पैप. क्यू ए क्वैक. आर ए रैप. एस ए सैप. टी ए टैप. वी ए वैप. W A well. X A accept. Y A yes. Z A Z. A says B A bad. C A D A F A G A gap. H A hat. J A K A L A lab. M A map. N A nap. P A pap. Q A quack. R A S A T A V A W A wrap. X A xap. Y A yeah. Z A zap. A says act. A says T says toe. A says act. T says toe. A T act. A says act. A says act. M says mom. A M M. A M M. A says act. A says act. N says no. N says no. A N N. A says act. A says act. B says sorry, B झाले ना आता इथं D. D says the. A D add. A says add. P says po. A says add. P says po. A P add. A says add. A says add. G says go. A G egg. A G egg. A says A says T says T says toe. A T egg. A T egg. A B egg. A B egg. A P says ball. A T egg. A T egg. लक्ष द्या. C says go. C says go. A T egg. C A T cat. C A T cat. D says do. D says do. A T egg. D A T dad. Dad. G says go. G says go. A T egg. G A T dad. J says z. J says z. A T egg. J A T dad. H says ho. H says ho. A T egg. H A T hat. M says mom. M says mom. A T egg. M A T hat. B says ball. A T egg. AB and DAB 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 G says go AB and GAB 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 सगळ्यांनी वर बघा J says J says AB JAB L says AB and LAB LAB N says no AB and NAB T says T says AB and EAB F says AB and FAB CAB CAB DAB GAB JAB LAB NAB TAB FAB B says C says F says M says P says R says T says V says AN B says AN BAN C says AN CAN F says AN M says M says AN R says AN RAN T says AN TAN V says AN VAN BAN CAN FAN MAN RAN P says AN and PAN TAN VAN C says C says G says G says T says M says M says N says R says S says T says Y says Z says AP C says AP CAP G says AP GAP T says AP TAP M says AP MAP N says AP NAP R says AP RAP S says AP SAP T says AP TAP Y says EAP YAP YAP Z says AP